Hi. You may have seen these kinds of videos online, catchy, simple, and super engaging. Have you ever wondered how they're made? Or better yet, how you can make one yourself? Well, today, we're going to show you how to create a free whiteboard animation video. We'll be using free software that's beginner-friendly, so no need for any special technical skills. By the end of this video, you'll have learned to create animations that grab viewers' attention and make your ideas easy to understand. So stick around to learn how. I'm Ben, from Clipcraft Studio, and I'm here to guide you through each step of creating a whiteboard animation. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Install VideoScribe. The first step is to install a software called VideoScribe. It's a popular tool that helps create whiteboard animations quickly and easily. To get it, simply click the link below this video, which will take you to the VideoScribe website. Once you're there, create a free account by clicking Free Trial. Fill in your details and create your account. You'll have two options: use VideoScribe in your browser or download the desktop version. For the best experience and features, we recommend downloading it. Just follow the prompts to install it on your computer, and then log in with your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start creating your animation. Step 2. Create your animation video. Getting started. Now that VideoScribe is set up, it's time to create your animation. You'll find different templates to choose from, or you can start from scratch, which is what we'll do here. Prepare your script. Decide what you want to say and show in your video. Make sure your script is catchy and keeps viewers interested. Select a hand design. Choose the type of animated hand that will draw and write your images and text. Add text and images. Start adding text by clicking the text icon and typing in what you want. You can resize, change colors, and adjust the font as needed. Adding images. To add images, click on the image icon, search for what you need. And place it on the canvas. Resize and move it around to match your vision, canvas, and animation flow. If you need more space, use the arrow icons to move to a new canvas. This helps organize your animation step by step as you go. Step 3. Add sound and final touches. Voiceover. Add your voice by clicking the microphone icon. Record directly or upload a pre-recorded audio file. Background music. Choose background music from VideoScribe's library or add your own file to give your animation a polished feel. Adjust animation speed. Change the timing of each element to match the flow you're aiming for. You can adjust each image's speed or the transition between images. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.